Most teams work together, but not every team works well together. What's often missing isn't talent, it's trust. And trust doesn't come from meetings or emails. It's built in moments that are shared, in challenges faced together, in laughter, and in the unexpected. That's why at Liberty International Tourism Group, we design team-building experiences that go deeper to help people connect and help teams grow stronger from the inside out. Team building that builds more than just teams. Because it's never just about the activity, it's about what it unlocks. And sometimes the best way to open up is to step out. South Africa, where nature breaks the ice. Take a team out of the office and into the wilds of South Africa, and everything changes. Job titles disappear. Support replaces structure. Whether it's hiking a trail, crossing a river, or building a raft, the focus shifts from roles to relationships. These challenges reveal leadership in new places and spark real teamwork. Nature does what meetings can't. It brings people together. And later, sitting around a fire under the African sky, people aren't just reflecting on what they did. They're reconnecting with who they did it with. Barcelona, where creativity comes alive in the city. For other teams, energy is everything. In Barcelona, team building takes on a new shape: rooftop escape games, market challenges, or street art battles. These fast-paced experiences unlock creativity, push collaboration, and turn teams into allies. It's bold, spontaneous, and deeply human. By dinner, the interns cracking jokes with the CEO. The shyest person just led a winning idea. The shift isn't forced, it flows. Tokyo, where culture builds connection. In Tokyo, team building isn't loud, it's intentional. Rolling sushi, practicing calligraphy, or sharing a tea ceremony teaches teams patience, focus, and presence. These quiet, cultural moments create space for respect and reflection. In a city of precision, teams grow through stillness. And long after the final dish is plated, what remains is the feeling of being part of something and someone meaningful. At Liberty, no two team-building experiences are the same. Whether you're in Dubai, Vienna, or Cape Town, we start with your goals, building trust, welcoming new hires, or celebrating milestones. Then we design every detail, from activities and venues to meals and logistics, so you can focus on your people while we take care of everything else. And when the final debrief ends with, "This is the best we've felt as a team," you'll know it was intentional, not accidental. The Alps, where teams come to breathe. The Alps bring something different: clean air, quiet trails, and challenges that reconnect people with themselves and each other. From snowshoe hikes to strategy sessions in alpine lodges, the mountains remove distractions and make space for honest teamwork. As the sun dips behind the peaks and your team shares a quiet drink, work feels lighter, and tomorrow, collaboration comes easier. At Liberty, team building isn't a checklist, it's a carefully crafted experience. With global reach and local insight, we help teams reconnect, recharge, and return stronger. Because when people grow together, performance follows. That's the Liberty way. Drop a comment below and tell us which stop felt like your kind of magic. Hit that like button if you enjoyed our tour, and don't forget to subscribe for more extraordinary travel content from Liberty International Tourism Group.